Yo, what it do, guys? This is how to make the Jordan 4 Unions even worse. This is how to make this Jordan 4 Union the worst sneaker ever. Simply because people are getting a knife and seeing this tongue right here, and they are cutting the tongue. What are you doing? Bro, look, listen. This Jordan 4 Desert Moss Union collaboration is fire. It's a part of the Trenton Trail pack that is 80s and 90s inspired. So, you know, it's inspired by the 80s and 90s, you know, those were some sick times. But the sneakers overall is dope. Look at this right here. You got the yellow hue here on the suede, super soft, you can hear that. You hear that, yeah? You know that is fire, bro. You know what I'm saying? You got the mesh, I believe it's mesh, but it's the purple fabric right here. For the very back of the shoe, you got the Nike Air in this blue and light purple colorway. The blue is sort of like a turquoise blue or very light blue. And you got it on the eyelets as well here. You got the cage, it's in white, if you can see that. And then you got the transparent, I don't know what to call them, a lace hoop? I'm not too sure. And on the outsole here, you've got the yellow, you've got the purple hit, and then you got the blue hit right there. I'm not too sure what it's supposed to correspond to on the bottom, but it looks nice to me. Also like a taupe haze or off grey color on the bottom, and then you got the Union sign right there. So overall the sneaker is super dope, man, and I think the pack's dope. The question is this sneaker the best sneaker in the entire Union collaboration? Is it? Let me show you my little list. The first one is the Union Jordan 4 Guavas. Second is the News. Third is the Desert Moss. And last is Taupe Haze. I don't like the Taupe Haze, man. It's a bit too boring. It's not for me, it's not my sort of personality, you know. I like going out there a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But the Guavas are the most, oh, the colorways, oh, beautiful. But I do not want to pay the £800 price. How much should I pay for these, you're probably wondering? I got a good price, £300. I don't know the conversion for the UK to US, but I'll have it on the screen right now. Bam! You see that? That's how much I got it for. Bargain. I know, right? You know what I'm saying? So, little close-up look right here, you know what I'm saying? Yep, ain't no one doing this round here, cuz. Ain't no one doing this round here, cuz. I wore it in my yard, just so you do know. Yep, you seeing that? Yep, see inside the shoe there? Yep. Seeing right there, the stitching? Yep. So just gave you a close-up look there. Obviously your boy's Jam got kicks. I make sneaker content and anything sneaker related I make videos on. So it'd be great if you could subscribe. If you do like this video, make sure you share it with your pals. Comment down below which one is your favorite Union Jordan 4. Big up Union LA anyways, because they're killing it right now. They're killing it right now in the game. Doing some hard collaborations. We gotta give props to them, man. I didn't even know about Union before this collaboration, so it's an amazing thing what collaborations can do. And overall, what would I rate this sneaker? A 9 to a 9.5 out of 10. How comfortable it is, very comfortable shoe. I would say it's about an 8 to 8.5 for comfortability. Sizing is true to size, so just your normal Jordan 4 sizing, true to size, man. It fits comfortable, it fits right. But anyways, it's your boy Jam Got Kicks. Thank you for looking at this review. I hope you have a great day, man. God loves you. We're gonna switch to the B-roll now. Peace out.